All right, click pre-qualify right here. Pre-qualify on the website. Here's a calculator. So let's put the numbers in. Okay. 300 and you can send a PDF report to your email. This is our website, Guaranteed Home Loans. 375,000. This is my wife over here in chat. She keeps popping up, right? 375,000. We talked about the interest rates. We're able to get 2 percentage points less for clients on a 2-1 buy down. Loan officers, what's the rate on a 2-1 buy down? Where are we starting at? 5.625. Is that about right?
I'd say 6.25.
Okay. Well, the rates are not 8.25, are they?
Oh, after the buy down, yes. You can say 5.25.
Right. All right. So let's go 5.25. Right. We can't do 3.5. So let's just put 5% down. 30-year. This is you real estate agents doing this. This is real estate agents doing this. Okay. You hit submit and look what pops up. Watch this. Boom. It breaks it all down for you. It gives you an estimated payment right here. You guys can't see it. I see some people squinting.
I need glasses.
Okay. This is an estimate. Why is it an estimate? Because we don't know what the taxes and insurance are going to be on the property. This is just an estimate. Right? We do not use P&I. We'll just use this figure, 2484.
Now I can give Ken a break.
Pardon?
I said now I can give Ken a break.
Absolutely. Just go here, pre-qualify, handle it yourself. Okay. So 2484. We got that number in our head. Everybody got that number in their head? Okay. So all we do is go 2485. We round up, divided by 30 days. They're paying $82 a day. Let's call it $83 a day, right? Remember in our example that we had earlier, they were paying $1,700 in rent, or they had another house, they were paying $57. And now they're paying $83. So 83 minus 57 equals $26 a day on a $375,000 home. And when you have clients sitting home saying that they want to wait. Now, how can you get this information into their hands? You can get this information into their hands by doing a video on Loom, right? Loom, Loom as in Mike. It's free of charge. And you can do this, you can show this exact scenario that I just shared with you guys, this slide right here. You can just copy this slide. I can send you this slide. Can I send it to you in chat? I think I can.
Please send it.
All right. All right. Well, it'll pop in here. Does it go in there? Okay.